I'm so glad to be home.
Really? Was tonight that bad?
No, it was great. I'm just tired from this week.
Yeah, this week burned me out pretty bad too. Come here.
I have to change.
Are you okay?
Yeah. Everything's fine. Hey. Go. There's something I have to tell you. It's about us moving in together.
Jackie, I have to tell you something. It's about us moving in.
I'm so sorry. I couldn't tell you earlier. Rachel? No, we just got home. I couldn't bring myself to tell him earlier. I know it's for the best, but how are you supposed to tell a guy you need to break up with him in the middle of a date?
Hey.
Michael, we need to talk. I've been wanting to talk to you all day, but I just couldn't tell you earlier.
What's wrong?
It's about us moving in together. We should just stop before we go too far.
I don't understand what you're talking about.
I just feel like we're not ready for this.
You know, there's no rush. I mean, we could take our time. We don't have to.
That's not the only thing. I feel we need to break up.
I think I'd better go.